Hi, I was sent this hood latch pin in exchange for my honest reviews.
Here's a quick look at the packaging and how everything comes. You have your instruction manual, the button, and then the hardware. Basically what this will do is prevent you from searching under your hood like I'm doing right here to find the release latch. Once I finally found it, I was able to open my hood, but when you install the button on your hood, it's going to allow you to press a button instead of searching for it. You could use this button release on cars, cabinets, furniture, and appliances. It's made with carbon fiber and stainless steel and can withstand up to 150 pounds of force. It's wear resistant, age resistant, and capable of withstanding high temperatures. It effectively secures the engine compartment and locks the hood in place. To install it, you would simply follow the instruction manual, and you need to drill a small hole in the top of your hood to insert the rod and then the pin button.
In summary, I thought this was a pretty clever device. You would want to be competent as you were installing because it requires you to drill a small hole in the top of your hood to make it work. But I think if it got functioning properly, it would save some time and effort of finding that natural hood latch underneath the hood. I guess if you're really into cars, that might not be a problem for you, but for me, I always have to search around for it for a few minutes and I get my hands dirty looking for it. So I can definitely see how this could be functional.